All right, hey everybody. Today we're going to take you and show you what $470,000 can buy you here in Eagle Watch at the end of 2023. Let's go in and take a look at this 4-bedroom house and show you what you can get for that. Okay, so it's a cold day out there today. As you walk in, one of the things that greets you in here is the warmth of it. One of the things I love most about this house is the color of the wood floors. As you walk in, it's very warm, inviting, and greeting, and it's going to lead into a little bit of a more traditional style setup. So let's go over here and check this out. As you come into here, this is kind of the family room / great room style. You know, you have your traditional fireplace, which is a low mantle fireplace, easy to put a TV above if that's how you guys like to set up your television setup. But it's nice, wide and open, has a beautiful bay window, and then leads into what would be considered the formal dining room, although most people don't use it as dining rooms anymore. So this is going to be the dining room. It flows very easy from the living space into here and then to an eat-in kitchen. So the reason most people repurpose these dining rooms is simply because the eat-in kitchen is just a few feet behind you where you can put a table. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so now we're in the eat-in kitchen area, and what you have here is granite countertops, more of a lighter finished cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and some room to work here. The eat-ins behind you as this leads into back to the hallway where you also have the half bath before we go upstairs. In addition, you do have the small traditional desk area in here, which can be used for, some people use it for keeping their bills, other people actually use it for desks, but more times than not, that's going to be used as more of a coffee bar. So this is the 4th bedroom that's up here. It's a larger bedroom with some extra space. It kind of has a little bench bay window in here with windows on 2 sides, so you get a lot of natural light in this room. Notice that the wood floors continue through up here, and then you've got fresh carpet in each one of the bedrooms. In fact, I can still smell the fresh carpet smell that's in here. This will be the shared hallway bathroom, and then the master's on this side. Welcome to the master suite. This is an oversized space, as you would expect. The windows face the backyard of the house, and then you have a very nice master bathroom in here. Okay, so the master bathroom setup in here does come with the garden tub, and they have more of a modern, updated, dark cabinetry for the vanity, which is a double vanity. The separate water closet also has the shower. So they break it apart in this particular one where the shower and the tub are separate inside this master suite setup. And the closets are on the other side of the master suite. All right, so right here, you come into the backyard, you have a nice deck area where you can have grilling and relaxing, as well as a fenced backyard that's easy to look at. Okay, so no house here in Eagle Watch is going to be complete unless it has a finished basement. So this particular one, what we have down here is LVP kind of finished in the hallway that opens up to a really nice big area. So this traditionally would become the TV room. This is where people would set up to watch the Georgia football game, or if you're a Gators fan, whatever game you would want. And this would be like an entertainment type of space. This basement also boasts part of it is still a storage area that's unfinished, which could be additional area for you to go ahead and finish. And or if you do not want to be taking your Christmas decorations in and out of the attic, there is a perfect storage space here that you guys can put your stuff in without having to navigate those narrow stairs going upstairs. Also, you have an easy access door at ground level for the walkout basement. And that is a great value for what you can get here in Town Lake, currently priced at $470,000. If you're interested in this property, please reach out to me and we can set up a time to get you guys into it. Thanks so much.